I've taken this coffee gear across the desert now. I've taken it on the beaches of South Australia. It's been to Queensland, it's been to the high country, it's seen snow, and I can't fault it. Hasn't missed a beat, really reliable. Just enjoying it more and more using this coffee kit. In my pursuit for the perfect cup of coffee on the side of the track, I used to recommend carrying your coffee grinds in a vacuum sealed bag when you're camping. Well, I found something far better. This is the Outin Fino portable electric coffee grinder. It's a companion to the Outin Nano, which I've made a video on previously, but despite the synergy between the Nano and the Fino, if you like fine coffee in your travel, mocha pot, French press, espresso, Aeropress, pour over, whatever, then now you can enjoy freshly ground beans on the tracks. It features a very similar form factor to the Nano. Beside it here, it's got a retractable hopper on the top, so you just turn the top to expose where you put the beans in. It can take up to 25 grams of beans at a time, and I found a heaped spoon of with the Outin spoon that came with it is around about 19-20 grams. To adjust the grind size, you simply turn this around to the desired setting. So it's written on the top here, you've got 1 to 2 espresso, and then all the way up to 9-10 French press. So there's actually 28 different adjustments you can make, which is pretty incredible. So beans go in, set it how you want, so say espresso, and then single touch button to start it. Once you've finished, you simply unscrew the bottom and your beans are in a cup at the bottom. They provide this airbrush and it's got bristles on the end so you can wipe out when you're done. Every now and then you can also take the guts out of the grinder, which is a 7-blade grinder, just with a simple hex key, and the whole thing comes out. The bottom cup itself holds about 50 to 60 grams of ground coffee, and it comes with a lid. So you can separate this and take the grinds away to use later. Something really cool is on top of the largemouth lid, there's a small lid, and what that's for is, this is the attachment for the grinds inside the Outin Nano, and that goes straight on like that. And you go boom, and then you can get your grinds out. But the idea is, if you're making a single espresso, you grind the espresso, tip it up, put it straight in here, and then you're good to go with the Nano. I hope I've inspired you to check out Outin's website. There's a link in the description to do that. If you do buy something on the website, it's a way you can support the channel. Thank you. The Nano and the Fino go great together, especially if you like espressos or black coffee. A few of you pointed out in my Nano video that unless you like black coffee, you still need a way to either heat up more water or heat up and froth milk. So I've given Outin that feedback that to make this truly a rechargeable barista station on the road, you really need to have a way to boil, say, 250 ml of water and a way to froth milk. So I look forward to seeing if Outin take the business in that direction. Another thing that'd be good is having a bag that it all fits in together. So in the car, I've had it in my kitchen box at times, and I've had it in a separate bag at times. But if there was a purpose-made sort of cushioned bag with a zipper on it, I think that'd be perfect for all the Outin bits and pieces. Must be time to actually have a coffee. Nice and strong. What I've really come to love about the Nano is how quick and easy it is. I've used it the most, honestly, with the Humble Pod. because you can stop on the side of the road, tip some water from your drink bottle in it, put the pot in, walk away from the car, go talk to someone, do something. 2-3 minutes later, you've got an espresso shot coming out the bottom. So mozzies are starting to heat up here. So that's awesome. And then having the Fino allows you, when you've got more time in the mornings, or if you're on a longer lunch stop, then you can do the fresh grinds, have a blast, load it up. And with the Fino, like I said at the very start, if you've got mocha pot, pour over, other preferred ways to coffee, you've got heaps of versatility with this kit now. Delicious, freshly ground coffee is one of Mother Nature's gifts, I reckon. If you've enjoyed this video, if we get along, then I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and left a comment. Tell me why you would or would not consider one of these things. That way, YouTube knows to show it to more coffee nuts like us. Given the outlay for these products, a reasonable question is, are they durable enough for tough Aussie conditions? And I can say that's a resounding yes. They only weigh 700 grams. They're made of this really durable, hard plastic. I've had them rolling around in the car, absolutely no dramas. The USB recharge is totally watertight, water sealed. The Fino came with this beautiful velvet-like carry case, and that stops it banging into things, stops things rattling around in the car. That's the Outin Fino, one-touch operation, a great companion to the Nano. If you didn't see my review on the Nano, go check that out next, or I've got another video about other ways I like to make coffee.